What's up everybody, it's Diana, and today I'm going to be putting in box braids. Like a little bit over a month ago, I put box braids on myself, and I took it out like 2 weeks ago, and I low-key miss it, so I'm doing it again. And box braids is like a really good protective style. If you don't know what a protective style is, it's a style that protects your hair, you know, and it helps it grow because you're not like playing with your hair a lot and manipulating it. So yeah, it grows more than if it wasn't in a protective style. You know what, that's enough talking, so let's go. First, I'm going to blow dry my hair so that it's like straighter, because it's, you know, natural right now and curly. And like when I do that, why am I talking like I've done this every day of my life? When I do that, the one time that I did it, it made my braids look nicer because like this was straight. The hair is that I'm putting in with the box braids is straight, so it blends in more, you know? So yeah. So this is my hair blow dried. Look at my tri-color hair. Anyways, it's really big. Bro, tell me why this was my hair a year ago. That's crazy. So last month, my box braids went down to my butt. But like that took me 7.5 hours. So I was hoping that this time it won't take me as long because I cut the hair in half. I wanted cute little short box braids. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is like part your hair. Like I can't tell you what size to part it because some people like them bigger parts, some people like smaller parts. So it also depends how much like braids you're putting in. So yeah, I'm an apprentice at a hair salon, but I don't think I'm qualified to give you guys a tutorial on how to do this. So it's mostly gonna be like just me, like a get ready with me, but like a do my hair with me while I talk to you guys, because yes sir. Okay, so you take your part the size you want, then you take 2 strands of hair, put one like this and one like this. That was a terrible explanation. 2 pieces, fold it in half, put one over this finger and put one over this finger, so that 1 piece here, 2 piece here, 1 piece here. If you don't understand, I'm sorry. Anyways, so then you want to take it, go like this, part this part in 3, and then put one with 1 strand of hair, one with another strand of hair, and one with the last strand of hair, and then braid. But it has to be tight, you guys. Tight information. So that's the hard part about it, getting it tight and looking good. So I'll try and show you guys right now. Also add gel because it holds better. As you can see, I've already done a braid because I just needed to know if I still know how to do it, and I kind of do. So yeah, so now I'll show you. So you take your 3 pieces like this, right? Then you take these same 2 fingers to part it in 3. I feel like you cannot, but you part it in 3. You part it in 3. And then you take the piece that's the farthest on down your hand, okay? Then you take it to the left side. Then you take the middle part piece. Then you put it with the middle piece of your hair. And then you're left with the last piece. And it goes with the last piece. Then, I feel like you guys can't see, but oh well. Pull tight. Really tight. Super tight. And just start braiding. I can't even whistle, you guys. Story time. So one time I was on a bus going home from school, and then I whistled like 2 times, and then this old man cussed me out because apparently he had a long day at work and I was ruining his peace and quiet on his way home from work. Okay, so I'm putting an elastic at the end. Yeah. Since like then my friends laughed at me.
I cut my braids
and then he heard them laughing, and then he cussed them out.
Stay at the end
for like a good 5 minutes. Then he told the bus driver on us. He was like, "Oh, kick them out and whatever."
Everything I do has great math and science and logic behind it.
That's
okay,
my story time.
Everything.
You guys,
Every
should I
single thing.
become a story time?
Oh, hey, it's a picture for me.
No, I should not, because.
So if you can see, I have a doll right here. I gave her bangs because I really like cutting my hair, but I'm not allowed to cut my own. So yeah, that's my story time, part 2.
Then I'm just like. Anyways, so 3 sections. Put your index
also
and your middle in between.
Let's call
this
parts.
piece 1. One in between the middle finger and your ring finger. Then the 2 pieces is piece 2 in the middle. You know, in between your index and middle. And this is piece 1. It's in between your thumb and your index. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay, now take piece 3 and put it all the way to the left with the leftist piece of your hair. You know what I'm saying? Okay, then take piece 2. I don't know if you can hear me, but take piece 2 and put it with the middle piece of your hair. Then you'll be left with piece 1 and a piece of your hair. That's the end of my first row. I'm just gonna try and speed through it now. Let's go.
The same taste. Blue, 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 we like the same faces. Grinding day and night, I need a vacation. Bring my little vacation. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. It's not tricking if she's yours, so no, I'm spending, yeah. If I got it, then she got it, tell her spend it, yeah. What I own and know she owns enough and rent it, yeah. If I'm dipping, tell her slide, it's no question she gon' ride. Tell her count it up, make sure it's all there. We were down and out.
Hey, I'm Jay from the Club Sales. Welcome back to another episode of Braiding to these true story animations. I got 3 good ones in today's episode. If you guys cool, you down with that?
Everybody get ready and buckle up, because here we go.
Guys, I miss my barber.
Okay, you guys, so this is my hair.
Okay.
I like jail.
Okay.
I love jail. Jail.
Okay, so I poured hot water on my hair and then I cut them to like make them around the same length all around, even at the back. And yeah, this is my
Oh,
hair.
it's right there! Oh my god, it sounds in
I
this
think
game!
it's so cute.
Oh, is she here?
So yeah. So thank you guys
Where's she
for
at?
watching my video. Hope you guys check out my
Holy
other videos
crap.
and stay tuned for more.
Is she in the house?